Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw. It's a 1063 square inch charcoal grill slash smoker. It has about 1500 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Nice. And if you're looking for something slightly different, Char-Griller makes a slightly smaller grill as well, and you can get this bundled with a grilling set if you like. So check out those listings. But this Char-Griller is great. It's got heavy gauge steel construction and a double bottom for years of use. It's also an airtight flanged hood with a heat gauge, cast iron grates which provide even heat and helps lock in the flavor. And as I mentioned, 1063 square inches total cooking area, which is the main grill and warming rack. You can also adjust the fire grate for easy cleanup and heat control. So to put it in perspective, over 1,000 square inches is a great sized grill for large families or backyard parties. So that's 725 square inches of primary cooking area and 338 square inches of secondary area, where you won't have a shortage of cooking space. And this is 50 inches tall and weighs 112 pounds. The attached wheels will make it easy to move around. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. Best decision made. It's a Father's Day gift and he wanted a grill. Took about a day. I reviewed many comments and did some back and forth on this one and another. Decided this was the one, and so glad I did. He loves it. We made a quick dinner, so we tried it the very first day we got it. Meat cooked perfectly. The space on this thing is great. We only used the bottom rack for this day, but you can easily fit a ton more. What he was so in love with was that you can raise the coals up or down, adjust how fast or slow to cook your food. It was the perfect gift, he said. Super happy. The Sunday dinner was just 3 of us, but you can tell that there is no problem at all feeding many, many more, and since this cooks so fast, people won't have to wait. What I loved was that the meat stayed tender but fully cooked. It was so good. Last, since it was a gift, we purchased a service from them to come and put it together. Well worth it. My husband was happy about that too. No time wasted putting it together. Buy the service, you won't regret it, and you definitely won't regret this grill. Our neighbors are jealous. Nice. Well, maybe you should invite him over. It sounds like you got plenty of grilling space. And if you out there would like one of these, order it. You can get it through Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. Awesome. I think you're going to love it, and maybe your neighbors will too.